हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे एक्सटर्नल एंड इंटरनल टेस्टिंग एंड एक्सटर्नल पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग एंड वाइट बॉक्स, ब्लैक बॉक्स एंड ग्रे बॉक्स पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट देखते हैं एक्सटर्नल टेस्टिंग। External penetration testing is the conventional approach to penetration testing. The testing is focused on the servers, infrastructure, and underlying software pertaining to the target. It may be performed with no prior knowledge of the site or with the full disclosure of the topology and environment. So, this type of testing will take in comprehensive analysis of publicly available information about the target. So, this is the external testing. Next, internal testing. Internal testing makes use of similar method as the external testing, and it is considered to be more versatile view of the security. Testing will be performed from several network access points, including both logical and physical segment. Okay, it is critical to note that despite everything, information security is ongoing process, and penetration testing only gives a snapshot of the security posture of an organization at any given point in time. Okay, internal testing will be performed from a number of network access point representing each logic and physical segment. The following tests fall under internal testing is black hat testing, grey hat testing, white hat testing, announced testing and unannounced testing. ओके, तो ये है इंटरनल टेस्टिंग। नेक्स्ट देखेंगे एक्सटर्नल पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग। A pen tester conduct external penetration test for determine the external threats to the network or system. The attacker can perform an external attack without accessing a system by using credential or the appropriate rights. Okay, the main aim behind conducting this pen test is to identify potential weakness in the security of target network system. तो यह है एक्सटर्नल पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं ब्लैक बॉक्स पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग। In black box testing, a pen tester carry out the test without having any prior knowledge the target. In order to simulate real world attack and minimize false positive, pen tester can choose to undertake black hat testing and map the network while enumerate service, share files and operating system discretely. Okay, the following points of summarize the black hat pen testing. Its first point is it is not require prior knowledge of the infrastructure to be tested. Next, penetration test must be carried out after extension information gathering and research. Next, it takes a considerable amount of time for the project to discover the nature of the infrastructure and how it is connected. Next, you will be given only a company name. Next, this test simulate the process of a real hacker. Next, time consuming and expensive type of the test. Okay, तो ये है ब्लैक बॉक्स टेस्टिंग। नेक्स्ट इज ग्रे बॉक्स पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग। इन ग्रे बॉक्स पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग, the test is conducted with limited knowledge about infrastructure, defense mechanism and communication channel of the target on which test is to be conducted. Okay, it is simulation of those attacks that is performed by the insider or outsider with limited access privileges. Okay, in this case, organization would prefer to provide the pen tester with partial knowledge or information that hacker could find, such as domain name servers. This can save time and expense of the organization. In grey box testing, pen tester may also interact with system and network administrators. So ये है grey box penetration testing. Next is white box penetration testing. In white box penetration testing, the test is conducted with full knowledge of infrastructure, defense mechanism and communication channels of the target on which test is being conducted. This test simulate the insider attack who has full privilege and unlimited access to the target. Okay, this type of penetration test is being conducted when the organization need to assess the security against a specific kind of attack or a specific target. In this case, the complete information about the target is given to the pen tester. The information provided can include network topology documents, assessed inventory, and valuation information. Typically, an organization would opt for this when it is want a complete audit of its security. ओके, तो ये है वाइट बॉक्स पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.